Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Man Cave here at Wistful Vistas in beautiful suburban San Diego, California. It is tank protector time, having removed those stickers and decals, which took way more time than I thought it might. We have applied a tank protector. Let me slip on my reading glasses and tilt this down if I can, so that you can see it. And I'm going to scan it in a little closer. By the way, I'm using the, pardon me, don't get a headache, I'll be careful with you. I'm using the built-in microphone on the Sony, so let me know what you think of that sound. Just doing a quick one here. So here is the tank protector. Let's start with the piece. There it goes. That says Aprilia, and try to align it. There are people that measure these. I think an eyeball is okay. What do you think? Let me know. Write it down. There it says Aprilia. I've actually had this for a while. I bought it for Tony Thunder, but I had a protector on that already, and I thought that ended up looking quite nice, as a matter of fact. So that's the tank protector. It has the same gloss. This Aprilia in silver matches the Aprilia over here on the side of the machine. I think the red sort of adds a little flash color there as well. Bear with me. We'll throw a leg over, and oh yeah, that's just gonna work like aces. Now we'll throw a leg off. Oh, a little exercise yesterday, still recovering. Okay, tank protector, Aprilia Tuono 2021. By the way, just for giggles, I put the pillion seat on the back of the machine, and it is just, I think the word is hideous. It does not work well with that red seat whatsoever. So the other one's going back on. Don't panic. Anyway, that's it from the Man Cave on this particular segment of adventures with a 2021 Tuono factory machine. The tank protector is installed, slowly but surely getting there.